Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl, and if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, today I'm going to show you on how I wash my blankets from home, and you can also comment in the comment section and tell me how you normally wash yours from home without taking it to the laundry. Prior to this, I had soaked my blanket overnight so that the dirt can come off easily. And of course, you soak it using your favorite washing powder. For me, I prefer Ariel or Omo. They work best for me. So for now, I'm just stepping it, turning it, stepping it, turning it. Hivyo vile nafanya. That's how you wash a blanket. And it really works, like it removes the dirt. Better than washing machine. I'm now just squeezing out the dirty water and placing it into another basin that has clean water. Repeating the same process again in clean water, squeezing out the dirty water and then placing it in another clean water. You guys, this is also a form of exercise because you'll both be using your leg muscles and hand muscles. Look at how dirty the water is, but trust the process. So I rinsed it until I saw my water was clean and clear, and so my blanket is clean, and then I air dried it. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.